Well, some of you may know me as worldtvondemand.com, and some may know me as Jackson Appliance Repair Orlando.com. Well, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video. I mean, nowadays you got to do more than one thing. You know, most people have 2 or 3 jobs, and I have, you know, a few different things that I do. A lot of people ask me, how do you get all these websites, and how do you get traffic to your YouTube channel, and how do you do this, and how do you do that? Well, number one thing you're going to have to do is have a great website. I have several websites. I don't even know how many websites. But if you're not good at building websites and you want a website, Wix. I have several websites that are free through Wix.com. So log into Wix.com and set up a website. It's easy to do. So this is my home page here. And if you can see right here, appliance repair. So if I click on where it says appliance repair, it's going to show me my 2 websites here. So let's just go to this website. So I'll move my ugly mug down here out of the way. But this is how crisp and clean and nice you can have a website from Wix.com. And you can use some of their, a lot of their stuff. But you want to put in all your text, which is very easy. You just double click on it, start typing, put in your information. And you know, you can upload some of your pictures. You can use their pictures. Very easy to use. So that's that one. Let's go back and look at, we're going to leave that page. And it's more or less the same thing. You just drag and drop. You can click on any of this text and edit it at any time. And yes, I officiate weddings also. I have one to do Sunday. And it's very nice. I mean, they're just very good. And you can put all your information down here. They have tons and tons of templates. And you can add or remove any of these that you like at the top where it says home, testimonials, gallery, and contact. You can change any of that stuff. And they give you a lot of clip art that you can use, or you can upload your own. Click on the gallery there and show some pictures. And then your contact information. And have a nice little page here. It gives a little bit of information. You can put more information. The more information, the better it is. And then, of course, your contact information at the bottom of the page on this particular page. So that's one that I use through Wix. Now, the other pages that I use that I build, I do in HTML, and you're familiar with some of my websites like worldtvondemand.com. This website here, which has a lot of links, and you can purchase electronics and stuff for your media players. And then another website I have is, oh, it's up here, is my Jackson Appliance Repair Orlando.com website, where I do appliance repair. And I have a lot of how-to videos on appliance repair, just like I do for the Kodi media player. And you can check it out. So, but the whole thing is, if you want a nice clean website and you don't know how to do HTML and all that stuff, but you want a nice clean website, go to Wix.com. It's free and set you up a website. Then all you have to do is copy your link up here, go to your Twitter page or your Facebook page, and start putting it in here. Get a little picture here of the website, and then tweet it. And then you're going to be known to the world for your website. It's that simple. And just one other thing I want to mention to you before I close out this video. If you start getting into HTML and CSS and whatever to write code to build a website, you know, this is what you're looking at to do. and you got to know all these tags, the font colors, the italic and bold font, how to do that. Uh, Images, you got to know how to do the SRC image files, and you got to have the picture uh, hosted somewhere on a server that you can get the link to and put it on your web page. That's why when you go to Wix, you don't have to do all that. It's just drag and drop and click on the dialog boxes and type in your information and what you want to change and personalize it that way. So this on the Wix is much easier than doing all this. But I mean, this turns out a good web page if which would look like this. So to get this, just these few links and this picture and stuff, you got to do all this. You got to do all this coding. It's not necessary. You can go to Wix.com and I'm not getting paid by Wix to do this. It's just I've been using it for years and it's free, so I figured I'd give them a plug. Ben, I have a couple million views, people watching my videos and stuff. Maybe help them out a little bit because they help me out. And that's the way we do it on the internet. I help you, you help me. No big deal. So anyway, this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com, Jackson Appliance Repair, Orlando.com, and whatever else you can find, because I'm all over the place. But I'm just here to help you out and hope you understand that making a website is not as scary as it used to be. Wix.com has made it very easy. So again, you guys have a great day, and I'll have another video for you soon.